Hello, and in today's video we are going to learn how to make this amazing text effect with the help of Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Firefly. So let's get started. I'm using April font, which you can find easily on Adobe Fonts. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to quickly convert this into the PNG and save it on my desktop. After this, I'm going to open Adobe Firefly and write this prompt, which you can find it in the description as well, and hit the generate button. And after that, you can choose one of these images. I really like this one, so I'm going to click on the edit button and use as a style reference. Click on that, and once you do that, go to the aspect ratio, and I'm choosing widescreen 16:9. You can choose whichever you want. And after that, I'm going to upload the image, the PNG image that we have just created, and it's on our desktop. I'm just quickly going to upload it. And after this, go to styles and decrease the visual intensity and the strength. I'm going to increase the strength of the image, and then go down, and in the effects I'm going to select the hyper realistic and the synth wave. Once I do that, I'm going to select the lights, and in the light I'm going to choose the studio light and hit the generate button. And it will take some time to generate, and yeah, here we go. You will have this cool text effects which you can see. These are amazing and really quick to make. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like the video, please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it. Thank you.